Good afternoon, our fishing brethren. We are out here on New Mexico Lake down here in the South New Mexico area getting ready for a tournament next week. So just thought I'd come down for the afternoon. Had the Friday and Saturday off and kind of had a date day yesterday with the wife. She took Friday off as well. And so we hung out yesterday, and then this morning we got up and came to the lake. So we're not out here early. It's about midday. But what we're doing is everything is pre-spawned, so about 56 to 58 degrees. We throw in little tubes and jigs and crankbaits and spinnerbaits up along the rocks, try to catch those buck bass that are hiding out in the back. And if we can find those, then we can kind of back off and see if we can catch some of the pre-spawn females that are looking to move up here in the next few weeks. So that's kind of what we're doing. Weather's gorgeous. Might be a little windy for you guys. Hopefully that comes through okay. Hopefully we'll get some fish in the boat this time, and stay tuned and hope you enjoy it. See where that rock point comes out? There's a little stick up right to the left. See if you can throw right at the end of that rock point. Reel back slow. That's a good cast, baby. That's fish. It's a better fish. Come on, baby. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that is a nice fish right there. Yes, sir. All right. Okay. Looky there. Okay, back you go, bud.
Hold on, little dude.
And unfortunately, that's it. That's all I got. We had some wind issues, and all the other footage that I have is just completely inaudible. So wind really picked up towards the end of the day. But just to recap, I know it's a short video, but this is getting ready for tournament season. So tournament season starts next week. So next Friday's pre-fish, Saturday's the tournament. So wanted to get the boat out and make sure everything was good. So last time I had it out, the last video I posted that I didn't catch any fish, the boat overheated, and it overheated after about 10 minutes worth of driving around. So we determined that it was the thermostats that were going bad. They weren't opening. So we just took those things out, and we're going to replace them this week, but you can run them without the thermostats for a bit. So I just took it out, ran fine, no overheating whatsoever. I did get one little beep, but I think it's because I was getting low on gas, and every once in a while it would dip down into empty, and it would beep because it was empty. So I think that's what that was. But anyway, today, fishing points, fishing ledges, fishing a little bit offshore, a little deeper than normal, probably 10 to 15, even up to 20, 25 feet. Drop shots, tubes, big jigs, and big crankbait, that sort of thing. Now, we didn't get hit on the crankbait. Well, we got hit on just about everything else. So the drop shot for sure, the tubes, and then of course the jig. I had one really good hit on the jig, and I never did feel him. I know it was a good fish. So maybe it was a tiny fish, and it's just me having happy thoughts. But anyway, it was a good day to get out, and we drove down, and we actually spent almost as much time driving in the car as we did on the boat fishing. But it was nice to get out of the house, and it's always nice whenever the wife can come with me and enjoy some of that. And it's not too hot, not too cold for her, and it was comfortable today. The wind wasn't too bad until later in the afternoon, and it really got I don't know, probably 15 to 20, 25 miles an hour gust, that sort of thing. But wasn't outrageous. It was definitely reasonable and doable. Fun day, and looking forward to next week for our tournament season. And this will be my first year fishing tournaments as a boater, so I'm calling the shots, my deal. And so last couple of years I've relied on Earl, and he's been an amazing mentor, an amazing coach. And so I'm really excited to get out, and man, if I could just avoid coming in the bottom, the bottom 4 or 5 every tournament, I'd be okay with that. If I never get last place this year, I'd be thrilled. Tickled pink, but hopefully we'll see as the year progresses. I got a really good non-boater. He really knows his stuff really good. So get him going with me. And anyway, it's going to be a great year. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry about the short video, and hope you enjoy what we did put together. And I'll have some stuff for you this week. I'll have some midweek preparation stuff that I'll walk you through, as well as just some updates, that sort of thing. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. God bless you guys. Have a great, safe afternoon. We'll catch you next time.